The cultural landscape of old tea forest of Jingmai Mountain in Pu'er, southwest China, was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List on Sunday. At its extended 45th session ongoing here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, the UNESCO World Heritage Committee examined the site nominated by China and added to the list as a cultural property, making it China's 57th World Heritage Site.
普洱景迈山古茶林文化景观，它填补了世界遗产名录中茶主题项目的一个空白，生动展现了中国茶文化的悠久历史和杰出的成就，也彰显了中国在世界茶叶的起源、种植、贸易以及茶文化传播领域当中的主导地位。
And this time, once again, there is a new site described by China, and this time it's Pu'er and the region of the tea, so a landscape that are very significant for the community, but also very known internationally. So it was very well received by the committee members, by the advisory body. So I believe that China should feel pride of this new inscription on the World Heritage List, as it shows how much the government of China has been preoccupied and involved in the safeguarding of heritage.
This is a very wonderful nomination that was inscribed as a World Heritage Property today. China has many wonderful properties around the entire country, and I've actually been to quite a few. I have to confess I have not had a chance to visit this landscape yet, but I'm very much hoping in the future that I will be able to do that, because it is clear that it has an immense beauty and it has really an outstanding universal value.